Hello everyone, my name is Lamia and today I'm gonna show you how I made sweet and sour sauce all from scratch. Okay guys, I'm not gonna talk too much here. It is very simple, easy, straightforward, 10-minute recipe. Just let's get started. I have fresh wings and I don't wash my wings. No need to wash him. Just season him with your favorite seasoning. So after that, you can braid him and you can just leave him without braiding. But for this video, I will braid my chicken. I braid it very light braiding and just drop it in the air fryer. That's it. Let that cook for 20 minutes and let's go make the sauce. I have butter, 2 teaspoons of tomato sauce, a big spoon of brown sugar, and a cup of water, half spoon of vinegar. You let that cook. Then drop your chicken, toast it around, and it is ready. All right, thank you guys for watching, and let me know if you like this video. Hit the button and subscribe to my channel. Again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Lamia, by the way.